In today's fast-paced world, building and maintaining confidence can be a real challenge. Are you struggling to boost your self-esteem in this digital age? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with low confidence. Welcome to mindxmatrix, where we explore the fascinating world of human psychology and self-improvement. In today's video, we'll delve deep into a topic that impacts each and every one of us: confidence. What is confidence? Confidence is the belief in one's abilities, skills, and judgment. It's the feeling of being comfortable in your own skin and knowing that you can handle whatever comes your way. Why is confidence important? Confidence plays a vital role in our lives. It impacts our personal relationships, our careers, and our overall well-being. Here are 10 bad habits that are silently destroying your confidence and holding you back from reaching your full potential. How to break free from these bad habits. Breaking free from these bad habits is a journey, but it's a journey well worth embarking on. Here are few tips. Negative self-talk is the silent assassin of confidence. Challenge your negative thoughts. When you catch yourself thinking something negative about yourself, ask yourself if there's any evidence to support that thought. If not, replace it with a more positive and realistic thought. The fear of failure can paralyze us, preventing us from taking action and pursuing our goals. Embrace failure. Everyone fails at some point in their lives. It's important to see failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. Set realistic goals. Don't set yourself up for failure by setting unrealistic goals. Instead, set small, achievable goals that will help you build momentum towards your larger goals. Constant comparison. Focus on your strengths. Everyone has unique strengths and talents. Focus on developing your strengths and don't compare yourself to others. Avoiding challenges. Staying in your comfort zone might feel safe, but it stifles your potential. Growth comes through challenges and taking calculated risks. Celebrate small wins along the way to build confidence. Not setting boundaries. Neglecting your boundaries can lead you to overcommitment and resentment, damaging self-worth. Don't feel hesitation to say no to others. Dwelling on the past, don't let your past to prevent you from living in the present. Let go the past and focus on the opportunities ahead. If you're overthinking a specific issue, approach it systematically. Break the problem into smaller parts and work on finding solutions for each part. Neglecting self-care not only impacts your physical and emotional well-being, but also erodes your confidence. Prioritize self-care routines and listen to your body and mind. Not believing in yourself. The most destructive habit is not believing in yourself. Confidence is a self-fulfilling prophecy. Cultivate self-belief through positive affirmations and surround yourself with supportive individuals who lift you up. Conclusion. Confidence is a journey, not a destination. It takes time and effort to build and maintain, but it's a journey well worth embarking on. Believe in yourself and take action today. Subscribe to my channel for getting future updates.